I'm here at the GTM Research Reserve. So the G stands for iguana, T is Talamato, and M is Matanzas. Those are the rivers that meet our NER. And NER is a National Estuarine Research Reserve. And basically what happens inside of this building here is based off of education, stewardship, and research. Our research reserve has a visitor center that is open to the public and free of admission. Our center has lifelike displays that define the estuary, uplands, and ocean habitats that outline the importance for people and wildlife of Florida. Our weekly programs highlight plants and animals that live within the reserve, as well as the tools and technology that our scientists use to study them. The Education Department of the GTM Research Reserve uses the Visitor Center to instill environmental education through our field trips and summer camps.
Hi everyone, my name is Savannah Mathis.
My name is Madison Skidmore.
Hi, I'm Brittany Wessick, and this is GTM Virtual Adventures.
Habitat is where an animal lives. It provides an animal with its basic needs such as food, water, protection from predators, and a safe place to reproduce. For us humans, our habitat is our house. Inside our homes, we have shelter from elements and a place to sleep and eat. An estuary is a place where saltwater and freshwater mix. Our estuaries are made up of important habitats such as oyster reefs and salt marshes.
The GTM Research Reserve is home to 7 different trails, including a new sensory trail. One of the favorite trails of GTM is the Yellow Trail. It's 2 miles round trip and 1 mile to the Intracoastal Waterway. The trail has several different species of plants and animals to see along the way, as well as several different habitats to see. The uplands habitat sits above the mean high tide line, so the water in the marsh can't come here in the forest. The uplands habitat contains several different types of ecosystems, like the one I currently am in right now, the maritime hammock, but it also contains pine flatwoods, dry prairie, sand pine scrub, coastal scrub, hardwood hammock, and many more different ecosystems.
The GTM Research Reserve has 4 different beach accesses. I'm currently outside the one at the Visitor Center. There are 3 other ones that are the north, middle, and south beach accesses. So as for the territory that GTM covers, there are 76,760 coastal acres of preserved territory. And that goes from Ponte Vedra Beach down to Palm Coast. GTM beaches are counted on for several different nesting sea turtles. Kemp's Ridley, green sea turtles, loggerheads, and leatherbacks. And in addition to these nesting sea turtles, it is also counted on as the habitat and hotel for several different endangered and protected species. The reserve's habitats are essential to 48 protected animals and 8 protected plants. 2 other parts that are critical to the beach habitat are also the dunes as well as the beach ragline. The beach ragline actually provides food and shelter for the different shorebirds that use GTM. Then also the dunes are home to many other different species too that we will talk about in later episodes. Another good thing about the dunes is that they actually help protect us too. During hurricanes, the beach actually undergoes what's called a storm surge, and when this happens, it can increase flooding on the inland. What the dunes do is they work as a shield, also known as a buffer or barrier, to help prevent flooding for us.
The GTM Research Reserve is a very biodiverse ecosystem that is home to many different kinds of wildlife, including birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, invertebrates, and mammals. Some of these animals live here all year long, and some migrate to other locations throughout the seasons. These organisms fit together in the ecosystem and the food chain like puzzle pieces to help maintain a healthy, biodiverse estuary.